Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to save a web page or its PDF in Mac. So let's suppose I open this web page and I want to save this web page as a PDF or any web page for that matter. What I can do is I can quickly go to this file menu here, and within the file menu I can see there is an option called as export to PDF. I can just select that option, choose where I want to save, give it a name, and then click on save button. Apart from, there is also another option which gives me under the file menu, and I can go to the print option, and within the printer I can just click on this save as PDF button, and here I can give the name and choose the location, and then I can add some other information and then click on save button. Once I click on the save button, you would able to see that there is a new file created here, which is nothing but the PDF file of this particular web page. So let me just quickly open it in the preview mode. So you can see this is the web page that is open in the preview mode, and it is in the PDF format. So in this way you can save the web pages in PDF. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day. See you in the next one.